Okay, let's click the shoot and adjust the microscope to the 10 times amplifications. And freeze it. You could click the hair loss types, and then we will show the hair loss levels. You could see that the male have divided into the 8 levels. The females have divided into 4 levels. And you could, according to the pictures, and choose his hair loss level. For example, we have choose the female one, and it will have the cause and the improvement and the type of hair loss and the request of member of the hair roots. Click the save. This okay, and close it. The next, we need to analyze the hair density, and we should shooting a new picture again. And this time we need to adjust the microscope to the 85 times amplifications. And put the scope in your scalp, and then freeze it, and choose the hair density. These have two parts: hair roots and hairs. And now we first need to choose the hair root, and to in these pictures we have to show the hair roots. And then choose the hairs, as we noted in this volume. The system will automatically give us the density of assessment, a description of the type of hair loss required, and the search course hair needed values. You can see this is on the face. And now the density evo evolutions, you will know the density statement. Then you could choose it. Click OK. We could use these pictures to measurement the tools for the disease analysis item measurement tool. And these have two parts: diameter and length. We need to choose diameter and pull the mouse point. And this will lower your hair diameter. This could use before the hair transplanting, and it helps the business of the hair transplanting a lot, such as whether the hair grows out and the member of the grows out. When we doing this measurement, please straighten the hair by hand on the scalp and more precise. and then we choose the length. So we will allow our hair transplanting the conditions well, and you could save it. Then we could test the hair follicles. This we need to take another picture. We need to adjust our test scope to the 175 times amplifications. And then after the picture is more clearly, please click the freezer and then choose the hair follicle. This hair follicle test is based on a picture-based case comparison. According to a picture, you could choose the right conditions for your hair follicles, such as this is normal. We choose the normal hair follicles, and then it will analyze automatically. This is normal. If your customer's hair condition is natural hair of closed follicle, you could choose it, and it will be analyzed again. You could save it. For this have the different follicles conditions. You could according to your customers to choose the right one for him. And the species metabolisms is also based on the picture case comparisons. We could use the same pictures, and these have a different status of the scalp: normal, dry, oil follicles. You could choose it. They'll have multiple images for the different case, so that you could use it to be the comparison. Okay, save it. And then you could test the you could test the allergic scalp. It's also based on the case comparison. Choose the normal. Okay, save it. The scalp toxin is the same as above test item. First, the normal scalp. Okay, you could save it. Next, we could this software could put the four images in the one interface. You could click select photo and choose the two or more of them, and click image contrast, and you could know the different pictures and compare with them. After you could close it. For the health log, you could know your health conditions such as normals. Okay, you could close it. This is have the case library. You could import the exams and add the title and choose the male or female classicals and choose your pictures and import it. You could load the different health types as your customer needed, and product solution. You could click add products and choose the products you have be pre-recorded. Okay, and you could recommend products. Okay, this have a health knowledge. You could know more clearly about the health knowledge. That is very useful for customers. Okay, this is the hardware setup. So much for this. If your clients need a print report, this is could be printed. You could click that. This is testing members, and you could see the history report for this, and also could save. Okay, so much for this.